Alright y'all, what's up? It's your boy Breeze. I'm just replacing my tank protectors. This is all my old one. Had to break them off. You can see they're all weathered, dirty, all messed up. So I got some new ones. Which are here. So I got a triple tree cover. Hopefully they all fit. Got the tank protector there and then the gas tank protector here. So I'm gonna go in and apply those. I took off all the old stuff, and it's important when you take all that stuff off to use this stuff. This stuff takes off all the goo and junk that is associated with the old stickers. I put all that stuff on there to clean it there. And the first one I'm going to do is apply this one. So it's kind of late in the evening, sun is going down, so I want to try to get this done as quickly as possible. Then I might take it for a ride. Take this off. Oh, it's all stuck on there already. Okay, so that kind of works. Nothing to peel off on the back. No, not quite. I want to do it close up here. I'm not sure how I put my other ones on, but I want to try to get it as close to the gas tank as possible. I'm going to put this one down here to line up with it. And then this one I believe goes on the right. Gonna set it there and do the other side here the same way. Switch hands here. Trying to get it as close to as possible. Now you can see I still have some residue here. Or I think it's right here. But I don't think it's from the stickers I had. I think I try to put some like Gorilla Glue on it to help the old one stick better. I think that's the residue from that. Okay, so we got that part on. So it looks a lot better than the other one I had on. Just all this stuff. Alright, now we're going to do the gas tank cover here, which is all this and these right here. And that's this right here. All this stuff are going to fly off. Okay, so let's do this part here first. Get it off. Let's set this right here. Now the old sticker I had on there comes from a lot of weathering. Like riding in the rain, living it out in the weather at night, so you gotta be mindful to take a bit more better care of this one. Try to put it inside as much as possible. That one. I'll do the same to this side. There. Now the big ring here. Hopefully it will fit. It looks like it will. So I'll be almost precise. Make sure it goes around the nuts or the bolts here. And daylight's burning. This is on now. You can see it looks a lot better than the old one. Now we're going to do the triple tree, which is here. And that is this one right here. Hopefully it will fit. So let's go and get this on before it gets too dark. This is one piece, one solid piece. It's not in pieces, so. Alright, so we gotta go over the triple tree. Over there. Put that in like that. Put that on right there. And we're gonna put it down. I know some people try to put more adhesive on there on the back when they put these on to make it stick better, but I'm not going to do that today. Alright, and just like that, triple tree protector is on. Looks good. Looks very good. So I got these on. What's wrong with that? Still trying to come off. Oh, this one too. This is an issue you have with sometimes. Well, they'll peel back and then a sticker on the back side won't work because they've been exposed too long. And unfortunately, I don't have any like extra glue or whatever to help make them stick better. But looks good. Looks good. Tank protector looks good. Triple tree protector looks good. Looks good all around. I can trash all of this. This is no longer any good. So, alright. Thanks for watching me install this. How I took this off was actually pretty interesting. I just used a butter knife to go up underneath all the old stuff, and it came off like really easy. So I wish I would have recorded that, and that would have been interesting. But anyways, thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time. Deuces.